Hey, in this video, we're going to go over how you can use AgencyReel to start and grow your own full-fledged agency business and drive perpetual traffic to you or your clients' offers with AI software with just minutes of work. AgencyReel can not only help you find clients and quickly create video and graphic content for them, but post that content 100% for you using SmartStream AI scheduling, all allowing you to appear in charge like you're a big agency with a large team. So to begin, navigate to the AgencyReel Leads tool. If you don't have any clients to begin charging AgencyReel services for, you can quickly prospect and land some using the AgencyReel Leads suite, which comes with AgencyReel. You can enter the type of business you want to search for, and city or area you want to prospect in, and category. So for this example, let's do a search for plumbers in the Pittsburgh area. AgencyReel will find the business name, contact details, whether they have a video presence, website, social media presence, and present all of that to you in an easy to understand format so you know exactly what they need help with. Click View Details to learn about the business marketing and Google Business Profile for more in-depth info. You can then reach out to them from right inside the app using our email integration and let them know how you can provide the help they need and that you're a serious agency. Then you can onboard your clients into AgencyReel by entering their name, email, how much you are charging them per month, weekly, or yearly, so all your content and services are easily organized by each client. And connect their social media accounts, including LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and more. Next, begin creating your content streams for each client. Now, content stream is a group of a type of content that will be published on social media accounts at specific times you designate. You can create content streams of GIF images and add all your clients' GIF images to it. A content stream of videos and add some native videos to it. Another content stream of quotes and add quotes to it, for example. Simply give it a name, choose if you want it to be image-based, links-based, or video-based content, and begin uploading your files or adding your links. Then go to the scheduler to begin specifying when each content will post. So for example, you can have a content stream of quotes post each Monday and Friday at 2 p.m. Memes can post at 3 p.m. on Wednesday, etc. The app will then post whatever content you have uploaded to that particular stream at that time. Once it runs out of posts, we'll start recycling the older posts so that you're always posting content continuously to their social profiles for perpetual traffic. So just pick your date, choose which client's content it will come from, which stream you want to post from, which accounts or different accounts it will be posting to, and finally the time in which it will post the content, and if you want to have it repurpose the content, or if it will be recycled and used again in the future without you having to go back and reschedule it. The app will smartly post a full suite of varied content during the week, including one day a viral video, next day quotes, then a blog article, and then a different viral video like a major agency company would do without you having to lift a finger. Just schedule once and you're good to go for years. If your client doesn't have any content, don't worry, as AgencyReel can easily create all types of video and graphic content that you can charge for and post for them. With the AgencyReel Content Creator, you can make memes, video clips, cinemagraphs, picture quotes, and more that will help get traffic and leads to your websites or your clients. So for this example, let's quickly create a video cinemagraph or an image with moving parts. To start, you can search a library of tons of video clips or upload your own video. Then in step 2, you can choose the part of the video you want to turn into the cinemagraph. Trim the video to the appropriate setting, hit lock frame, and brush over the part that you want to have motion while the rest of the image is going to stay static, just like this. Then lock the cinemagraph to begin adding text, images, and more to it. Hit render, and now we have a cool looking cinemagraph video to generate traffic with. You can also create graphics content like quotes, just as easy with the quote generator, for instance. To use that, simply select a background from thousands of images and choose the one that you want to use for your quote. Then click and add quotes to choose from thousands of top quotes in tons of different niches. Find the quote that you like and hit add. Then use the drag and drop editor to format how you like the quote to look and export it to use for any of your clients' content streams. And remember, that's just some of the content that you can create for clients in just a click or two. Finally, at any time, you can log into your dashboard and see your scheduled content streams, clients, and money you're set to earn this month. As you can see, AgencyReel is your all-in-one solution to starting a serious agency business that can drive perpetual traffic from 100% scratch.